trucks just arrived. My Panzer. January 12th. Let's see how cold is right here. Not good. Below the zero. Below the zero. Anything is frozen. As soon as possible I should to fire up this thing. Okay. And I should unload my Panzer. Such firewood I bring to my workshop for maybe here is around over than cubic meter of this style of planks. This is 100-year-old plank, and this will go to fire. Well, I have been here for around 2 hours. I have a task. Make warm in this workshop. I have some trash wood. Actually, it's trash wood. This was a piece of furniture, same thing, another piece of furniture. Okay, I have some kind of fans in action. And thermometer. What we have over here? It's how camera focus. It's how +2 degrees in Celsius. Okay. I put it back. Stay. Here I have some equipment. Maybe in next days we will see a couple of these things in action. Magic trick with keys is done. My workshop is frozen. This is frozen. Yep. I came for this, obviously, and found this. Where is glasses? Okay. I found one of these somehow. Okay, this is my old workshop. Now it's frozen. It's frozen. It's frozen. But I hope tomorrow at 13 January 2024 I want make some warm into this area. I prepared workbench for sewing actions, and I have material to chop in pieces. Yeah, it's smelly. This will be better. Hey, buddy! Hey! That thing will be quite loud. That's it. Well, I done this, and this will hit my workshop for days.